The circle shown has center O, circumference 144 pi, and diameters PR and QS. The length of arc PS is twice the length of arc PQ. What is the length of arc QR? First, I'm going to highlight our question so that way we know what to look for. What is the length of arc QR? So QR is this. Then I'm going to underline what we know. So the circle shown has center O, circumference 144 pi, diameters PR and QS. The length of arc PS, I'm going to highlight that in blue. Arc PS is twice that of length PQ. I'm going to highlight that green. So essentially, if this is, let's say, A, arc length A, this would be 2A. And by inspection, SR would also be A, and RQ would also be 2A as well. So essentially, A plus 2A plus 2A equals the circumference 144 pi. So 2A plus 2A, that's 4A, plus A, so that's 6A. So 6A equals 144 pi. So what we need to do in this case is solve for A to get our arc length PQ and SR, and then we can use that to find arc length RQ. So divide by 6 on both sides. So 144 divided by 6, that is 24 pi. So A is 24 pi, so 2A has to be 48 pi. So that is QR, so our answer choice is B.